All right, so you want to know what's up with crypto in 2025?
Yeah, who doesn't?
Well, we're diving deep today
Deep dive.
into forecasts specifically.
Love it.
Investing Haven had this article, 15 cryptocurrency forecasts for 2025. Came out December 5th, so super recent.
Oh, very.
And their overall take is
What is it?
super bullish.
Bullish.
Yeah, like Bitcoin to 150,000.
Whoa.
Ethereum over 5,700.
All right, I'm listening.
But it's not just the big names.
Oh.
There are some smaller coins they think could really explode.
Yeah, that's interesting.
So to help us break all this down,
Yeah.
we've got,
Who do we have?
well, expert who knows this stuff inside and out.
Well, I try to keep up.
So let's jump in. This Investing Haven article,
Yeah.
they really hammer on Bitcoin's dominance and how that impacts all the other coins.
Altcoins.
But-
right. Exactly. So what are they saying? More dominance for Bitcoin means?
Well, they point out this pattern
Yeah.
where Bitcoin kind of leads the charge.
It rallies first.
Yeah, then profits rotate into the altcoins.
Makes sense. We saw that back in 2017
Oh, yeah.
and again in 2020.
Uh-huh.
Even 2023 earlier this year.
So are we thinking 2025 is going to be like a repeat?
Well, it's not a guarantee, right? Past performance and all that.
Right, of course.
But what is interesting is BlackRock.
BlackRock, yeah.
They're getting ready for more Bitcoin trading.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Setting up new instruments. The article mentions it.
And BlackRock is
The biggest asset manager.
globally, yeah.
So when they make moves,
People notice.
yeah, could be a big signal to other institutions.
Okay, so BlackRock's bullish on Bitcoin,
Seems like it.
but 150,000.
Yeah, that's a big number.
How did they even get there?
Well, they look at Bitcoin's price action recently.
yeah.
They think hitting 100,000 soon is possible.
Wow.
But the next few weeks are key.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta watch those weekly closes, see if the momentum builds.
So Bitcoin's got some big weeks ahead.
Big few weeks.
What about,
The other coins.
yeah, you mentioned Ethereum could go over 5,700.
Potentially, yeah.
What's behind that?
Well, Ethereum 2.0 for one.
Right, the upgrade.
Yeah, supposed to make it way more efficient.
Scalability, too, right.
Yeah, all that should attract more developers.
And users.
Exactly. And that means...
More investment.
Makes sense.
So Bitcoin, Ethereum, potentially huge.
Huge.
But what about other big names, like Solana?
Solana's interesting.
Yeah, they're known for speed
Super fast.
and scalability.
Right, the article's got them between 184 and 555 in 2025.
Wow, big gains.
Definitely.
And what about XRP?
XRP.
Always in the news.
Especially with that SEC case.
Yeah, that's still going on.
Big wild card for XRP.
Totally, depending on how that goes.
Could moon, could crash, who knows?
The article says 1.44 to 4.44 in 2025.
Yeah, but that's a big if.
Huge if.
Regulatory clarity is everything for XRP right now.
Absolutely.
Big question mark hanging over it.
Okay, so we've got these big names with big predictions.
Yeah, and a lot of factors at play.
But the article doesn't stop there.
What else did they talk about?
They highlight some smaller coins
Oh, really?
that they think could have massive returns.
Now we're talking.
But before we get into those,
Okay.
we got to talk about the big picture stuff.
The big picture.
The things that could really shake up crypto in
I-
2025.
Oh, let's do it. Yeah, like what?
Right.
What could really shake things up?
Well, regulation for one.
Regulation, always a hot topic.
Yeah, we touched on XRP,
Right, with the SEC.
but it's bigger than that.
It is.
It's the whole industry.
Yeah,
Clearer guidelines from governments
that'd be nice.
could really boost confidence.
Especially for institutional investors.
Exactly. They like things to be,
Predictable,
stable.
which not always known for that.
Not exactly.
Well-
But hey, maybe that's changing.
Maybe so, but it's not just regulations.
What else?
Tech advancements.
Yeah, that's huge.
Ethereum 2.0 is a good example,
All those upgrades.
making it faster, more efficient.
That's attracting attention.
And there's so many other platforms out there.
Yeah, tons. Innovating all the time.
It's like an arms race.
Yeah, but how do we keep up?
Right. Good question.
It's so much to follow.
It is, but I think it's about filtering the noise,
Filtering the noise.
focusing on the fundamentals,
Okay.
looking beyond the hype,
Beyond the hype, yeah.
understanding the real world applications.
So it's not just
It's like
about
beaming.
or meme coins.
Exactly. I gotta look for real value.
The value proposition.
That's it. Gotta ask yourself, what problems are they solving?
Good point.
What are their long-term goals? Are they building something sustainable?
That's how you separate the wheat from the chaff.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've got regulatory clarity, tech advancements.
What else?
Well, we got to think about the economy, too.
Oh, yeah, the big picture.
Global economic conditions,
Inflation.
interest rates.
All that can affect crypto.
Totally. It's all connected.
Interconnected.
So if we see a
Or
recession,
even just uncertainty,
investors might get spooked.
yeah, shy away from riskier assets.
Crypto included.
But on the flip side,
A strong economy,
could be great for crypto.
more investment flowing in.
Makes sense.
And then there's CBDCs.
CBDCs, central bank digital currencies.
Yeah, that's a whole other topic.
A big one.
How do you think they'll impact things?
It's tough to say. Some people think they're a threat
A threat.
to Bitcoin, Ethereum, the existing cryptos.
Why is that?
They think governments will push their own digital currencies.
Okay.
And then who needs the decentralized stuff?
So it could stifle innovation?
Potentially, yeah, but some people see it differently.
Oh, really?
They think CBDCs could actually help crypto.
Help it. How?
More legitimacy, more mainstream acceptance.
Interesting.
Like right now, crypto still feels kind of fringe to a lot of people.
Yeah. I get that.
But if governments are doing it...
Maybe it becomes more normal.
Exactly.
So it's a double-edged sword.
Yeah, it could bring stability, but also more control.
Which some crypto folks don't love.
They like the freedom, the decentralization.
Right, it's a delicate balance.
For sure. Going to be interesting to see how it all plays out.
Totally. The crypto landscape is always changing.
Always in flux.
So many factors at play.
Makes it exciting though, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely. But maybe a little overwhelming, too.
For sure.
So let's shift gears for a minute.
Okay.
Bring it back down to earth a bit.
Back to earth. Yeah, I like it.
All right, so we've covered a lot.
We have.
Predictions, disruptors, regulations.
A lot.
But let's make this real for our listeners.
Yeah, good idea.
If you're out there thinking, okay, crypto sounds cool.
Right.
But where do I even start?
It can be overwhelming for sure.
Totally. So what's step one?
Step one is knowing yourself.
Knowing yourself.
Your financial goals. I mean,
Right.
What are you hoping to achieve with your investments?
Short-term gains. Long-term growth.
Right. And equally important, your risk tolerance.
Ah, yeah. Crypto could be
Volatile.
very volatile.
So how much risk are you comfortable with?
That's key.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's say you've done your homework.
You've got your goals, your risk tolerance.
And you're ready to jump in.
All right, let's do it.
What are some best practices?
Well, first off, diversification.
Diversification, classic advice.
Applies to everything, not just crypto.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. Spread your investments.
So you're not betting on just one coin?
Right. No matter how promising it seems.
Spread the risk.
Got it.
And another thing,
What's that?
never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Oh, that's huge.
Crypto is still volatile.
Absolutely, things can change quickly.
Unexpected events happen all the time.
Right. Got to be prepared for that.
Don't get caught up in the hype.
The fear of missing out.
Stay grounded.
Remember those risks.
Okay, so don't go all in.
And don't expect to get rich quick.
Right, this is not a...
Get rich quick scheme.
It takes time.
Patience, a long-term perspective.
This is a marathon, not a sprint.
Well said.
Any other words of wisdom?
One more thing. Stay informed.
Oh yeah, that's crucial.
Crypto is constantly evolving.
New tech, new regulations.
The market's always in flux.
So how do we stay ahead of the curve?
Read news articles, follow reputable sources.
Listen to podcasts like this one.
Hey, there you go.
But seriously, staying informed is key.
It really is. Helps you make better decisions.
The more you know, the better.
Couldn't agree more.
And hey, don't be afraid to talk to a financial advisor.
Oh, good point. Someone who understands crypto.
It can't hurt to get some professional guidance.
Especially if you're just starting out.
So as we wrap up our deep dive,
Into crypto in 2025.
what are the key takeaways?
Well, the crypto world is full of opportunity. It also requires caution.
Don't jump in blindly.
Do your research, understand your goals, manage your risk,
Stay informed.
be prepared for volatility.
And remember,
The most successful investors,
approach crypto with,
enthusiasm.
and also a healthy dose of skepticism.
Well said. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
We hope you learned a lot today.
I hope so too.
And who knows, maybe you'll be the next crypto superstar. You never know.
Until next time, happy investing.